Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing some new products. So let's get in and let's get into the review. Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be sharing a new product that we actually got to try out, but I wanted to share with you guys what this one is about. So this is called Mo-Stache and then Mo-Unibrows. So this is so that you can remove the hair off of your face and off of your, basically your, if you have like that little stash that sometimes we get as we get older, or just in general. And then also like if you have a unibrow, or if you want to just fix out like your eyebrows. So this is definitely a product that you guys want to check out. I love, first off, it came in a little package, and this is something that you can actually get at Target, so it's not expensive at all. But I love the packaging on this one. So we're gonna take a look at, let me see which one first here. We'll look at Mo-Stache. So that's what I have here, Mo-Stache. So this one, on the description, if you go to Target, it says it's good for oily skin, dry skin, combination, normal. So basically all the 4 skin types. And it comes in this little container here, and there's 12 stripes inside. And normally if you use this, it should last up to 3 weeks. It's ready to use wax strips, perfect for on-the-go waxing and touch-ups. Wax anytime, any place, free of artificial colors and fragrance, parabens, and cruelty-free. Plus post-wax aloe cream to soothe and calm the skin. And again, like I said, it comes in a compact, discreet design for your purse. The reason why I love this, it looks like a little chewing gum, or like those little mints. You have this, so it kind of is not like weird. But I'd like to give you guys a description of things that we review so you can see if it's good for you. But like I said, you can find this at Target. So what it says here in the description for Target, it says, meet Mo-Stache, the world's first portable wax kit. Finally, a wax kit that can move with your busy schedule. So our ready-to-use cold wax strips heat up with hand-generated friction. That's the thing that's kind of weird with this one. It's because I don't know if you guys have ever tried to do any waxing at home. Usually I had a wax where you had to put it in the microwave for a couple seconds and it would heat up, and then you would use a spatula and put it wherever you're supposed to put it on your body. And that was like the messiest thing in the world. So this is actually just a strip, and then you heat it up with your hand. So like if you go like that, you use that friction to heat it up. And then this kit, again, like we said, it fits into small places. And then it's designed for easy, it's designed for easy self-care routine. And then let me see what else. And again, it's fragrance free, no artificial colors, parabens, and cruelty free. This was actually as seen on ABC's Shark Tank. So I didn't even realize that. So that is super cool. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. And when, let me see. Oh, and a couple of waxing tips. This was on the package as well. So what it says is, thank you for your purchase. Follow these tips for best results. So I kind of want to give you guys the tips on here that they're sharing with me, just in case if you purchase this, you want to get the benefit of the item. So this says, be sure to clean dry skin. Heat strip for at least 20 seconds with hand. Hair should be at least 1/4 inch long before you wax. Do not use any topical acne creams, retin A or HAA creams for 2 weeks prior to waxing. Feeling sensitive, it says use aloe provided for several days after waxing to help any irritation. Definitely use sunscreen after waxing. If you feel sticky, simply pat wax strip on area to remove any excess. Now actually, like I said, we tried this, myself and my daughter, and I'm gonna show you guys the packaging of this one so you guys can take a look to see how it looks. So this is kind of cool. So if you look at it, it's like it glides open, and then voila, the instructions actually fell out. I tried to put everything back the way that it was so I could just unbox it or unpackage it exactly the way that it came through. So the instructions they show you here are here. So see that? Little instructions, and again, they're compact, so you can take this anywhere. And then this has your post aloe cream, So you would put that on after, and then again, it has more instructions, more information. It says read me, and then these are the strips. This is what it looks like. So this is the strips you're gonna put on yourself, and then you heat it up and you just put it on, and then again, you take it off. So I'll show you guys how it works. So first it says clean your skin in an area, and then it says warm wax between your hands for 20 seconds. Then you pull this strip apart, because the wax, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you can, it's discolored here. That's where the wax is. So you're gonna pull this apart just like this. And then you put that above your stash. Place half of the strip firmly on side of your lip and press in direction of hair growth, rubbing strip repeatedly in the direction. Hold skin taut and quickly pull the strip in the opposite direction. Apply soothing cream for post-wax relief. And that's it, and then you're totally done. So the thing about this one, if you go to Target, the price is very reasonable. So you can use this okay, let's just give an example. Let's say if your wax lasts for 3 weeks, you really don't have to use any others after that. So this is 12 strips in here. Let me just make sure that's correct. Should be 12 strips in here. Let me see if it tells me here. Yeah, there's 12 hypoallergenic waxing strips for the face. So this is gonna last you a while. And like I said, the amount of if you look at the price on Target, you guys know, I'm sure if you go to Target, well, I know that we're going through a thing right now, but if you go to target.com online, you can look at, so you can order these online, so that's not a big deal right now. So then they have like a different set here. This is Mo-Unibrows. So that is the same thing as the stash. These also are 12 hypoallergenic waxing strips for the eyebrows. So it's the same. If you go to target.com, you can see the same information there. And again, instructions in a little package, just like this. Is just a little bit bigger than the other one. So you have your instructions, the aloe, and then you have more information. But then again, you have, I just want to share with you the waxing strips. Now this one is a little different because this one has like little tweezers. So that's like a huge benefit, because I don't know, you guys, sometimes you just have those little hairs that are just stubborn. So again, strips, the only difference with this and the stash was the tweezers. So what do you guys think about this? I think this is super convenient, because how many times have you guys traveled or just visited friends and you just noticed something that shouldn't be there and you want to do a quick fix, right? This lets you do it right within a couple seconds, and then poof, you're gone. You can go about your day. Or maybe at work, I've had times when I'm at work and you see something that shouldn't be there and you're like, oh my gosh, how long has that been there? Well, let me go fix it. So this lets you leave this in your purse, so you can just fix it on the go wherever you are, or in your car. Now the cool thing they had was this little mirror. So I just want to thank them for sending this out. This was pretty cool. So if you need to dive a little deeper, you guys are seeing my setup. If you need to dive a little deeper on your face, you have that mirror, go like this and just dive in and fix your face where you are. So let me know in the comments section below if you guys have tried this. I think this was so cool, so convenient. I would definitely recommend this. We tried it and it definitely did work for us. So you have, again, they have two different sets. They have the Mo-Stache and then they have Mo-Unibrow. So they have two options for you. So yes, let me know in the comments section below what you guys think about this one. If you would try it, let me know. And definitely make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another product review. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.